Hello and welcome to the Visionless Designs YouTube channel. So I'll be doing a product review on the Axminster blast gates in this video. I thought I'd already done one on the plastic ones in a previous video I did, where I compared the aluminium blast gates versus the plastic ones. However, it turns out that the blast gates you get in the 100mm dust extraction kit are very different to the ones you can buy individually from Axminster. So having to do a re-review. So here's the new ones I've got. So again, a few problems I've got with these. So they don't, unlike the ones that came in the kit, you still need a cuff on both sides if you want to do a join along. Whereas the ones in the kit, one side had its own cuff built in. I mean, these are still better than the aluminium ones in the sense of you've got quite a wide area here for the tube to stick onto, the cuffs to go onto. I mean, the main thing I don't like about these is the blinking the door. It's like quite loose. So I've had to put duct tape on the edges so it actually goes in and stays in. You've just got to make sure that when you put the tape on, you put it on this face here and have that face against the extraction system, so that the tape pushes this part down to keep it in tight, and it keeps the whole surface there flat to go on. I had tried putting it on the other side, so the extraction was sucking from this end, then it was leaking quite a lot of air out of it from this area. So just a thing to be wary of. If you haven't air leaking troubles, just flip it over. These do have an additional thing that the ones in the kit didn't, which is the ability to screw them onto the wall. So you've got a bracket built onto it, which is handy, I guess. Of my 8, I've only actually used been able to attach one of them to the wall, primarily because of the way I've got my dust extraction set up. This door causes quite a bit of trouble for that. So see, I've gone from here up to the ceiling and following this beam along. There we go. So here he's going quite close to the ceiling, and I've set it up so the if I want to use anything else here, I can shut them off to divert the airflow to directly where it needs to go. There is no chance in hell I could fit one of these at the top there because of the sliding door. So I've got it quite close to the ceiling, and it's just well, there's no way it can possibly go up. So I had to use one of the ones at the kit for this area. So you got to consider your space on both sides of this when purchasing them and setting it up. I've also found, go back over here while it's on my mind. Going back onto the tape. See, I've got duct tape around there again. This is because, again, same as the metal ones, this is quite loose. The dust cuffs, the joining splices were quite loose on it, so putting some duct tape around it just helps with that. So I'd still recommend these over the metal ones, frustratingly. It's just this door I don't like, to be honest. It's not quite as big a saving as I'd originally said. Of course, because as I said, with the ones that came in the kit, it already had a cuff on it, so you don't have to spend the extra £4 or £5 to get that. So these are, I think they're only a couple of pounds cheaper than the aluminium ones. So again, you take your pick with it. I'll still be sticking to these. I just love it if they could make metal ones, so I can well, be easier way of earthing out the system then. I hope this is helpful for someone, and yeah, again, good blast gate. Don't have the problem of the splitting with the ones that are built into the kit. These feel a lot sturdier in that regard. It's just this blinking sliding door. It's frustrating. Okay, well, thank you very much, and I hope to see you in another one.